Four consecutive integers have a mean of 9.5. What is the largest of these integers? So diretso na tayo sa shortcut kapag nakakita tayo ng ganitong type ng problem. Kapag meron tayong consecutive integers tapos given yung mean or yung average nila, what is the largest of these integers? Automatic kasi kung ano yung mean, so yun yung gitna ng apat na numbers. So ang gitna daw ay 9.5. And sabi integers ito. Integers, so madali. Ito yung gitna. So therefore ang numbers natin dito ay we have 9, 10, and then 11, 8 dito. So yan na yung apat na consecutive integers. 8, 9, 10, 11. Ang gitna nila is 9.5. So hindi na kailangang isolve what is the largest of these integers. The answer is 11, letter C. Okay? So yan yung shortcut. Follow for more.